Hello friends, welcome to our channel Brain Exploders, where we share all kinds of brain boosters, teasers, puzzles, riddles and stumping questions. Here is our previous question. Find the fraction of shaded region in the following figure. In this figure, we have three semicircles and a complete circle inscribed inside a larger semicircle. We have to find the fraction of this complete circle. If you have not tried this question yet, you can pause the video for more time. So here is the solution. Let's start with this figure. Draw a water image of the figure and we get a shape with many lines of symmetry here. Line joining the centers of opposite semicircles are dividing the complete angle of 360 degrees into 6 equal parts and each part is equal to 60 degrees. With this data, we can form an equilateral triangle by joining the centers of semicircles. Now let us suppose that radius of smaller semicircles is equal to a and radius of shaded circle is equal to b. So its diameter becomes 2b. Now one of the side of equilateral triangle can be written as a plus a and its another side can be taken as a plus 2b. And since it is an equilateral triangle, so both the sides are equal and we get a is equal to 2b. Now let us suppose that radius of larger semicircle is equal to r. Join OAB to form a right angle triangle and apply Pythagoras theorem in it. We get AB square plus OB square is equal to AO square. Here AB is the radius of smaller semicircle and OB is A plus 2B. Now substitute 2B in place of A. We get 2B square plus 2B plus 2B whole square is equal to R square and 20B square is equal to R square. Now fraction of shaded region is equal to area of shaded circle upon area of larger semicircle. So area of shaded circle can be given by the formula pi b square and area of larger semicircle is the half of the area of complete semicircle formed by radius r. So it can be written as pi r square upon 2. We get 2b square upon r square. Now substitute 20b square in place of r square. We get fraction of shaded region is equal to 1 upon 10 and that is our solution. Let's move to our another question. Next question is considered as one of the toughest questions of IIT JEE. It was asked in the year 2008. This is the question. If Sn is equal to summation n upon n square plus kn plus k square for k is equal to 1 to n and Tn is equal to n upon n square plus kn plus k square for k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 for all natural values of n, then which of the following options are correct? Try this question and comment as the solution. If you have any question like this, send us on the Gmail given in the description box. If your answer is correct, we will announce your name in our next video. Don't forget to like and share our video, and for more such videos, subscribe to our channel Brain Exploders. Thanks for watching.